Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had some fun with my last video about the Jetpack combos tab layout. In this video, I had a small improve to make sure we get rid of some hardcode. Example, I just opened the last combo list in my video. You can check out the shortcut in the last video about the combo list. I will put the link of video here and you can get the shortcuts. So now in this video I will try to get rid of some hardcode of the font size and the pattern here. As you watching the video clean code in the theme of the Philip, so he had introduced some spacings, so I can do the same here. We can introduce the spacing also, so I create the spacing. In this part, I will define a data class that's called spacings, and we have defined the default space, that means the 0 dB, and I will add some properties like extra smalls and put the default space here, and smalls too, and medium and large also. Yeah, I only create a spacing class. It is data class and it has some properties with the default value here. So now I just supply once the local spacings here. I need to push and make sure in the UI we can use like material theme dot spacing. So it's I want to get this one, like we need to have something like that. Spacing go. Yeah, so I want to get like this. So that means I need to have that properties like that. Need to make some extension properties of material theme, and that is spacing, and I need to have that one composable. The next thing that is the read only. Is it read only? I need to import here. Yeah, but now we have spacing. Let's see how it works. And we can add something like this. Example, the spacing. That's medium. Yeah, and just checking. I need to review that again and see, make sure it can see on this work or not. The image button, it's hard to see that. We can have something like this here. It will be easy to see. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't work, so that we need to put that in the theme spacing here. Need to provide that in the theme. So here we use a composition local provider, and I need to provide the spacing via the local, and it will provide. Here we can just get the default value we already defined in our class spacings, but that is totally different if you have some dimension already defined in your dimensions. So we have the values, we can define the dimensions here. Yeah, and here we can define the value we want to put there. It has demand and we have extra small. The same we need to define for other value too. Small. So now we have the demand, and then we can supply the value from our demands. Here we have the extra small. We need to use the demand resources, and it has the ID demand extra small. I need to import that one. Yeah, the same we need to define supply some the values for all the properties. So I just copy that, and then yeah, make sure we put right value here. We have small, and then we have medium, and then we have the value of large. Yeah, so now we just build again and see the UI it will update. The main point here, we supply the demands from our demands resources. So in case you supply for different kind of resolution of your device, you can define different values in the values. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys like my videos. Yeah, otherwise I just mentioned in the first video about the update some value of the fonts, but you guys can define some font size styles in your class and supply in the usage place. So I hope you like my video. If you like, please subscribe to get the new video as much as possible. Have a good night, guys. See ya.